Oh, here we go again. Welcome, you guys. Once again, Rocha Explore here, exploring for you, discovering new places you probably have never been to. Don't you worry, I got you. Hey, hola, ¿cómo están, chicos y chicas? Bienvenidos nuevamente aquí a su canal Rocha Explore, donde vamos a explorar, vamos a descubrir nuevos lugares juntos. ¿Qué les parece? Pónganse el cinturón porque it's gonna be a bumpy ride. Here we go. Aquí vamos, amigos. Before we start this exploration, you guys, I need you guys' help. Could you please go and watch the very first part of this exploration, Williamsburg Part 1. Yes, you are watching Part 2 because I couldn't fit everything in one video. I know, so much to see, so much to discover. Anyways, don't forget to give your likes, don't forget to share, don't forget to follow in all my social media, Rocha Explore. Thank you so much. Muchachos, estamos en la segunda parte de Rocha Explore en Williamsburg, Brooklyn, New York, parte 2. Así que si no has visto el primer video, ¿qué estás esperando? Lánzate y ves a verlo porque está muy bueno. Recuerden que si tienen alguna pregunta pueden dejármelo aquí en los comentarios. Muchas gracias por sus likes, muchas gracias por sus shares, gracias por suscribirse a mi canal Rocha Explore. As a new dynamic, guys, I have some questions and some answers for you guys related Williamsburg, Brooklyn, New York. And someone asks, is Williamsburg and Brooklyn safe? As for Brooklyn, it's generally considered safe for tourists, but some of its neighborhoods, especially East New York, Vinegar Hill, Fort Greene, Williamsburg, Dumbo, and Crown Heights, do suffer from more crime than other places in New York, according to Safe Around and Address Report. And another question, someone asks, is Williamsburg, Brooklyn worth visiting? Well, Williamsburg is a great little find, especially if you have never visited this area of Brooklyn before. Being born and raised in Williamsburg, it is sometimes a bit hard to see it from a great little neighborhood to an ultra hot spot. But if someone is visiting, great to see. Someone asks, what kind of neighborhood is Williamsburg, Brooklyn? Well, it's the hipster capital of Brooklyn, located close to Bed-Stuy, Greenpoint, and Bushwick. Williamsburg is Brooklyn's answer to Manhattan's East Village. Yeah, you heard it. Other bizarre questions that you had to have for me are, where do the celebrities live in Brooklyn? And from what I know, and it's all this collected from internet, is that Matt Damon, yes, the famous actor, lives in Brooklyn Heights. Same thing with Paul Giamatti. Daniel Craig and Rachel Weisz, they live in Cobble Hill. Emily Mortier in Burren Hill. Rose Byrne and Bobby Cannavale, they lives in Burren Hill. And other, like Nora Jones, lives in Cobble Hill. Those are only few, but if you guys are like really legit into it, I suggest you guys to Google it to find out. One explorer, aka subscriber, asked me about this. Is Williamsburg hipster? And what I have to say is most of hipster things to do in Williamsburg are creativity, cafes, arts, music, and boutiques. Williamsburg, it is the most hipster of all the hipster spots in New York right now. And the last question from you guys is Brooklyn expensive? Well, based on the data that I have from online, it says that Manhattan takes the number 1 spot as the most expensive, according to Kepler's survey. Brooklyn, which was treated separately in the study, came in as the 4th most expensive city at 80% above the average cost. What do you think? Anyways, let's keep exploring. Let's keep watching this amazing video. And let's enjoy. Exploradores, no me olvido de ustedes. Fíjense que Williamsburg es un barrio artístico y de moda en el distrito de Brooklyn, New York. Históricamente, Williamsburg ha recibido a gente de muchas nacionalidades. Por ello, se trata de un barrio con mucha diversidad e influencias de diferentes culturas. Hoy en día, Williamsburg sigue siendo una zona influyente y popular de la ciudad, en la que viven muchos famosos. Este barrio de aire industrial es conocido por sus cafeterías y tiendas que no pertenecen a grandes cadenas. También puedes encontrar la famosa Brooklyn Brewery. Un día es tiempo suficiente para conocer esta parte de New York. Muchas tiendas abren en torno a las 12 del mediodía. Hasta hace poco no se podían encontrar marcas como Starbucks, OJ o J. Crew en Williamsburg. Sin embargo, últimamente en algunas grandes cadenas han abierto sus puertas en la zona. No obstante, solo tienen permitido abrir locales que encajen con la estética del vecindario. Por esta razón, estas tiendas tienen los típicos toques al estilo Williamsburg. De todos modos, las que siguen marcando la pauta son las pequeñas tiendas del barrio. Por ejemplo, Puffus puedes encontrar un amplio surtido de artículos relacionados con la cultura pop, como discos, DVD, cómics, objetos cinematográficos y muñecas de Marilyn Monroe. ¿Eres un aficionado de la música? Entonces asegúrate de pasar por Earwax. Aquí puedes encontrar una amplia gama de nuevos vinilos. Y lo más destacado, en personal, que sabe lo que habla. Para los niños, dirígete a Mini J. Es una tienda que vende ropa de diseño sostenible para bebés y niños. Puedes encontrar ropa, libros, plastilinas ecológica, cochecitos para bebés y muchos más artículos. ¿Quieres sorprender a tu pareja con un anillo o una pulsera únicos? Sin lugar a dudas, echa un vistazo en la joyería Catbird. Termina tu jornada de compras en Mass Brothers Chocolate y compra su delicioso chocolate artesanal. Guys, I want to take this moment to ask you for a favor. I need you guys to subscribe to my channel. I would love for you guys to help me out to grow this channel. Please share it with everyone that you like. Any friends, family members, etc., etc. Give me your thumbs up, give me your likes. Please, please, please help me out. I want this channel to grow. And all this is happening thanks to you. Muchachos, quiero tomar este momento, este segundo, este minuto para pedirles que me ayuden a crecer en este canal. Necesito de su ayuda para que compartan, den sus likes y por supuesto que se suscriban a este canal, que es su canal, Rocha Explore, porque somos una grande familia. Muchísimas gracias, Explorers. Sigamos. Muchísimas gracias por compartir este video y por suscribirte a mi canal. Se les quiere y se les agradece de corazón. Thank you so much for sharing this video and for subscribing to my channel. You are loved and I'm thankful for having you. Don't forget to subscribe. You know, just give the thumbs up, just give me the little like and share with everyone that you know. Thank you once again. This is David from Rocha Explore. Goodbye, Rocha Explorers. Till next time.